Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So yeah, I'm filming at night. And basically this video has been filmed through the day, and then this intro is being filmed at night. Hooray, what? That's because I completely forgot to make an intro to this video, so this is my intro. Today we're gonna make two harnesses, male, female, whatever. Just a disclaimer, you can do any design you want. You don't have to follow my steps exactly. You can just learn how to sew them together, attach them together, and then that's about it. The rest you can just design it yourself. You can make it more complicated, more easy. I did start the video with one that is more complicated, so you can get the idea of how to attach and like how many and all this kind of stuff, things. And then the second one is the easiest one. Also, I shown you at the end how to style them a little bit. It's just two legs, just to give you an idea of like how to style them, and because they are supposed to be worn underneath clothes, but I personally, my style is different and I like to wear them on top of things. So that's basically my style. Fast forward, no, go backwards, back to the day where it was bright. Gosh, is there like a YouTube class or something, like a YouTube course that I can go to? Cause girl, anyways, let's go on with the video. So we are gonna go to Fabricland now to get the material we need. Yeah, let's go. So we're back. I forgot my wallet. Okay, so let's get the lift downstairs. Can't believe I forgot my wallet. What the fuck? So we are here in the Fabricland shop. So we got the goods. I paid £2.80 for 4 meters of the black one and 3 meters of the white one. Very cheap. I thought I'm going to spend more than that, but we got it. So what you need is the elastic, you will need thread and a needle, and scissors. So what you do here is you measure the elastic on your body. So you go from, basically went from nipple to the backbone. And here I cut it when I got it already, but I used the first one that I cut on the second elastic, so it's exactly the same length. Make sure you do that. Just place the first one that you cut on the second elastic and just cut into it, so you have two of the same lengths. Next we measure our waist, and then you can make it tight, you can make it loose, it's up to you. I made it just a tiny bit tight so it can give the illusion of more waist than I have. To make it easier, I measured myself around, and this is basically how it's gonna look. So this is the waist, this is the chest, these are the sides to hold it together, and these go over your shoulders, arms. So this is the template. It literally looks like a square, but these are gonna be on the side. So what you're gonna do now is you are gonna get your needle and thread, create a little bubble on the. What you're gonna want to do is sew like this. So you grab the two ends together and you sew on top here, so you don't have any weird edges. So we'll create a loop, and the way you sew is just go on, over, under, over. It's basically in and out. It's the easiest way to sew. Just create little loops.
So if I go even closer, so in, out, in, out.
And then into the one we're attaching, and then we're just going to do that twice, and then we can sew as I've shown you before, just
in and out, in and out. And we're just going to do that for all of them, and then as a trio. So I hope it makes sense. I'll show you more clearly
So basically this is how it's gonna look. So it's gonna have the bottom one, the top one, which is attached already, and then there's gonna be two, one here and one here as panels. So this is literally how it's gonna look. It's attached now, and these two panels will attach it later, and this is what's gonna hold the whole situation together. So this is me showing you how it's gonna look like when it's gonna be attached. That's just for support. Otherwise, if we don't add any panels, there won't be any support, and it's just gonna be one loose thing and one other loose thing, and it won't be connected. That way it's connected and it's one whole harness. So finally, harness number one is done. It looks like an octopus, but yeah, let's try it on. So here it is. This is the harness number one, and like, yeah, this is supposed to be worn under clothes, but I made it specifically to wear over clothes, so over tops and stuff, because it's just a nice way to spice up an outfit. So this is number one, and don't worry, we'll style it at the end. Both of them, will style them, and I'll show you some nice ways to style these, and you can wear them out clubbing. It would be nice. Okay, so time to do the second one. So let me just take this one off. So the second one is the easiest one. So you can use glue, but I'm wearing these out tonight, so I didn't want to wait for them to dry overnight, so I just use stitching, which is a much secure way to attach these, because they are elastic, and you know, glue is not the strongest media you could use, so sewing them together is the best way, basically. I got 4 meters of this because I know I could make 2 out of these, but just for the sake of this video, I'm just going to do 1 more. And let me just change my top so you can see this, because black on black you can't really see it, so just give me a second. So this is going to be the second one, and I changed top so you can see it more clearly. So this one is going to be the easiest one. We'll just do this. We'll attach it here, go down. Sorry, just need to do this quickly. And then, so this one's just going to be like this. So you don't even need to cut a lot, you just cut once basically. So you attach these two, and you can make it tighter if you want. I'm going to make it a bit looser, probably like here. And then this one, so you cut it here, and then you cut one around, and you attach this one in the center, and you connect these two, and that's literally it. This should take you about, so this is the layout. It's literally this one's the easiest one ever. So you just attach these two together, and you do the same method as I've shown you before. You attach this one, but you attach it to the front, and then you just sew this one to this one, and you're done. This one's the easiest one, and this is the final look. So this is it. This one's the easiest one, and it's time to style them, so let's go style them. So this is look number one. I think it's really nice to have like a camel color with black, and then this into it. It looks really nice in my opinion. And yeah, this is look number one, and then this is look number two. So as you can see, I like to wear white with the black, and then the black with like different colors. So yeah, I think that's it. I mean, it's a really easy DIY video. I think we're done. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I mean, I hope you like it. I hope you understood the steps. I mean, it's really easy. Yeah. I hope you'll try it. If you do try it, please DM me. My Instagram will be in the description down below, or in the outro. I want to see your version. You can definitely do this out of leather, but that takes more skill, and this is just like an easy way. To be honest, I think this was missing one more. I think if it was like here instead of on the nipples, yeah, something like this. I mean, you have the freedom to do whatever design you want. Like, it could be next level. There could be a lot of bands everywhere. It can be like proper harness, 50 Shades of Grey, like your choices. But yeah, that's it for today, and thank you for watching. So please like, subscribe, and comment down below what you think. I look a hot mess. But yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.